So the question is, how exactly do we color and sharpen an old photo in Photoshop? And the answer is, let me show you. First thing we have to do is let's open up Photoshop here. Let's pull up a layer, have our layer selected. First things first is let's go ahead and head on up to Filter and Convert for Smart Filters. Now what we'll do is head back up to Filter and let's go to Neural Filters. So we have Neural Filters pulled up, and let's head all the way down to where it says Photo Restoration. Let's toggle that on. Okay, now let's see what we did. Zoom in a little bit. Let's try before and after. Here's the before. Here's the after. World of difference. That looks good. Now let's hit colorize. Oh, wow. Nice. So what we'll do now is let's head on down to where it says output options. Toggle that, and let's click on output as a new color layer. Make our color layer for us, and then we will hit OK. All right, now we see we need to do a little bit of work to this photo here. What we'll try to do is we'll go ahead and remove this magenta or reddish, pinkish purple color from this photo. All right, so what we'll do is head on down to our adjustment layers, and let's go up to hue and saturation. Okay. Underneath our preset is a little box that says master. Let's click on that and then drop down to where it says magentas. Okay, so what we'll do is let's grab our eyedropper tool that has the plus sign on it. Click on that. Let's zoom in. Let's take some snapshots here. Okay. Let's see what we can do from here. Zoom out. Now let's push it over to the right and to the blues a little bit. Okay. All right. Now let's desaturate it just a tad bit. Ooh-wee. Looking good. Let's try before. Before, after. Pull back that saturation a little bit. There it is. That's looking good now. What we'll do is we'll take all these layers here and let's group these. Control and G. Let's call this main. All right. Now what we'll do is let's click on the entire group, head up to filter, and let's convert it for smart filters. Okay. Back up to filter and let's go to sharpen and unsharp mask. Click on that. Let's zoom in. See what we're doing. Okay, let's push the amount up just a little bit. See our radius. No, we don't want any halo, so we'll dial back just a little bit on the radius. Maybe about 5.5 would work. Oh, wow. That looks good. Okay, hit off. Now, let's check our work. Dial in a little bit. Before, after. Before, after. That is a world of difference right there. That's good. So I think that'll do it for this video, guys, and we are finished. Until next time, see you in the next video.